It is my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Leze Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub, and in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to hide your online status on Facebook app Messenger. A step-by-step tutorial without any stress, so bless me. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Facebook app Messenger. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to hide your online status on Facebook Messenger. The first thing you need to do is to make sure you click on your Messenger app to open up the Facebook Messenger app. Then, having opened up your Facebook Messenger app, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on this 3 stroke at the top. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on Setting. Then you have to scroll down, click on Active Status. Then make sure you turn off these. So, pause active status. You won't be able to see when your friends and connection are active, recently active or in active chat with you. So, until I change it for 1 hour, 8 hours, you can easily set a costume. So, I'm going to put it until I change it, then click on pause. It's as simple as that. So by turning off this, it simply means that your friend will not know whether you are online on Facebook Messenger app. So this is how to hide your last seen on Facebook Messenger app. A step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Facebook topic. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.